Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Mack Haik Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram here on 45 North in beautiful Houston, Texas. And this is the talk of the town, the Jeep Wagoneer. Now this is a Series 3, so let's take a look and see what you're getting. First and foremost, you're gonna have your traditional 7-slotted grille. You've always seen it on Jeeps, now it's on the Wagoneer. You'll have your 360-degree camera, so your safety is paramount all the way around. You'll have your adaptive cruise control and your sensors hidden here. If you'll take a look, you'll have your park assist, which will allow you to get close to a wall. Let's say you're in a parking garage and you hear the beeping, so you won't get too close to the wall. Well, now the sensors are hidden here in your black portions. Once again, you've got your brushed aluminum finish here and here, as well as down here and down at the bottom. All your headlights, all your lighting duties are gonna be courtesy of LED lights, so you will have your LED headlights, your LED turn signals, you'll have your LED puddle lamps on your mirrors and your LED courtesy lamps. Taking a look at your beautiful 22-inch wheels are gonna be cast alloy wheels with your painted pockets, and you'll have your Jeep Wagoneer logo emblazoned here on the center. The Jeep Wagoneer was introduced in 1972 as a full-size 4x4 SUV. In 2022, it's happened again. Once again, it's a full-size SUV and it is a 4x4. This is gonna have your air suspension, which will allow you to lift the vehicle an additional 5.1 inches for a total of right at 10 inches of travel as you're off-road. You'll have your beautiful full-size 4 doors. You'll have your cameras here for your 360-degree view. One feature that I particularly like are gonna be your running boards. If you take a look at the vehicle, it doesn't look like it's got running boards. You've got a beautiful, nice, rounded off appearance down with the lower rocker. But when you open the door, the running boards deploy. Now the running boards are good for 350 pounds. Once you close it, the running boards will retract themselves, leaving just a beautiful, clean look on the side of the vehicle. Boom, there you go. And the rear of the Jeep Wagoneer is just as impressive as the front and the side profile. As you can see, it's nice and cleaned up. Your tail lights are gonna be, once again, courtesy LED. To lock the tailgate, there's a soft button here. That'll lock it, hit it again, it'll unlock. To open it, there's a button here. It's also soft, kind of hidden, so you just gotta know where it is. Touch it once and it will open up. You will have your second and third row power seats. Your second row will collapse, although you can't come back and you have to manually lift them. The third row will collapse and raise themselves. Let's just take a look here. The buttons here at the side. The ones closest to you are gonna be for the seats closest to you. The ones furthest from you are gonna be the ones for the middle row. Let's go ahead and close these seats down. You take a look. There they go as well. Now let's do the same thing for the second row. Press here, and you see them go down. Now they're folded flat, plenty of cargo room. If you need to close it, you can hit your button here, and this will close your powered liftgate. Now you've got your Quadra-Track 2 logo here, and you will have your Series 3 badging on the right-hand side. Brushed aluminum, makes it for a nice, clear, cohesive package. More brushed aluminum and more brushed aluminum, and you have your rear windshield wiper. So if you're driving down the road, gets a little foggy, a little dirty, hit the button and it'll clean itself right up. I want to walk you through pre-programming the height of your liftgate. A lot of times you're going to want your liftgate not to fully extend. Let's just say you're in a parking garage. Let's say you're at home and your garage may have, let's just say, a kayak hanging and you don't want it to touch it. So let's just show you, it's really easy. Let's just go ahead and open it. You fully extend it. like so. And then you bring it down to your desired level. Let's just say you want it right about there. You'll press the hold the set button. When you see your taillights flash, it's been pre-programmed. So let's just go ahead and close it. And from then on, when you open it, it'll lift to your pre-programmed height. Now, if you want to go back to your original settings, just fully extend it, press the hold the set button, wait for the taillights to blink, and it's been set back to your factory settings. Hit your key fob twice, and it'll close right back up.